Hello guys, thank you very much. This is Africa Site Walk and Travels. So today I want to show you the newly installed street lighting, which are 100% power solar. They have been installed along Haile Selassie pedestrian walkway, and they are 100% power solar. So let's go there and see, and please share your thoughts about them in the comment section. And if you are new, please, it's always my pleasure when you watch and subscribe. So come with me. As you can see, I'm not very far away from Uhuru Highway, Haile Selassie Junction. So I'll be crossing over into Haile Selassie walkways. I think the street lamps have been put, I think 2-3 days ago, and they seem cool. They are 100% power solar. So come with me and let's see how they look like at night. Right now it's around 19 hours East Africa time. That is 7 p.m. It's around 7 p.m. here in East Africa. So come with me. I hope my video recording goes on well till the end. So come with me. Let's see. So I'll be crossing Uhuru Highway. I am crossing Uhuru Highway, as you can see. Traffic is heavy as usual. I'll have to wait here for the traffic policeman to stop the vehicles. Waiting for the traffic policeman to stop the vehicles so that we can cross. So please bear with me. Over. Let's cross over. So the pedestrian walkway is not yet complete, but the street lamps have been installed. Let's see how they look like at night. I think the project is being done by Vibrant Construction. I've done so many videos along this stretch. It seems my favorite because I've seen the place transform. I think it will even look better once they complete. Please, if you are new, kindly remember to subscribe Africa Site Walk and Travel, and please comment indicating probably where you are watching me from. So you can see from the city clock right there ahead, it's around 19:05 hours East Africa time. Let's see how the solar powered street lights look like at night. So the cabro laying is not yet complete. The cabro laying is not yet complete, but I think they are almost. So here you go. You can see them. These are the solar powered street lights for the pedestrians. They look cool. They seem to be overshadowed by the lights inside the buildings. But once complete, this will look so nice. These are the street lamps. They are 100% solar powered. 100%. We have Times Tower there. It's a very nice pedestrian walkway, by the way. If you check my other videos that I've done during the day, you will agree with me. It's a nice place. This is so nice and safe also. Yes, look, very beautiful. Very beautiful. I don't know how I'll be able to pan my camera a lot when I get to this point, because security zone, but my main aim was to show you the street lamps, the solar powered street lamp. I think the contract has been undertaken by Vibrant Construction. So please share your thoughts, and if you are new, Remember to subscribe. I appreciate. That's the best support you can give me, by hitting the subscribe button. This area is a bit of a security zone, so there's some areas which I may not be able to film as much. Yes, but as you can see, these street lamps meant for pedestrian walk are 100% solar powered. Yes, 100% solar powered. As you can see, construction is still going on. Guys, please visit my channel for some other videos that I've done along this place. I hope you'll find them worth watching. There you have the cooperative bank building. So this street has been lit 100% by solar powered lamps. So what's the that? I think it's good as we promote green energy. It's a very nice initiative. It's a very nice initiative. Yes. Guys, thank you very much. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Africa Sidewalk and Travels. Thank you very much. Let us meet in another video as usual. So big up, blessings. I am now approaching my avenue. My avenue, Haile Selassie Avenue Junction, roundabout. So let's meet in another video. Cheers, cheers.